So hi everyone, today Nina created this lovely summer look, super fresh, super glowy. She kept the skin really natural and she used blush.
Yeah, I don't usually use blush.
So follow us for a step-by-step tutorial on how to recreate this look, and if you like it, comment down below and hit subscribe!
So I'm applying the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturiser. This is really good for full face. So have you used Bobbi Brown?
The remedies, I've used the one for dry skin. It's actually really good. Do you find that it stays longer if you use a concealer?
Yeah, definitely. So what I actually do is I put the concealer on, then I set it with powder, and that creates the base for me to be able to...
But if someone had like really dark lids, would you color correct instead of concealer?
Yeah, if they had like considerably dark lids, then I would. But I mean, your lids are not excessively dark.
So do you put it on your hand first?
Yeah, I put
Is
it
that
on my
better?
hand. Yeah, and then I always squeeze the brush so that it goes super thin.
Okay.
Open.
You're being so creepy right
Yeah.
now.
That's a really nice finish.
Yeah, I really like them.
Face this way.
If you can get the color right, they're really
Yeah.
nice. Like I actually was thinking I'm gonna go out and buy the 3 in olive
Yeah.
because they have an olive finish, which is like mine. And they're like dry skin friendly, which is always a plus for me. How do you make my eyes look like that? I can never do that. Every time I do my shadow, it goes really round and I can never do the angle.
Look straight. So with you, your eyes, because your lid, you know where you have this crease in your upper...
Yeah,
Can you see it goes down there?
yeah,
Your crease goes slightly lower than it.
yeah.
So what that means is when I finish whatever colour I'm putting on at the end of your lash line, which was a darkish brown, I have to finish it a little bit before the end of your lash line. So I never take it down to the end of your lash line, and then I just drag it up a little bit towards the end of your brow.
Ooh, I love the finish.
It looks good, right?
I love these ones. I can't.
You know, you should use a stipple brush if you don't want too much blush.
I have this one, I never use it.
It's, if you use a normal brush, it's
Yeah.
like all of a sudden it's compact colour. With this, it just disperses it enough.
I like the glow that you've done, so you still set everything.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's not gonna slide around during the day, but at the same time, it's not matte, so I feel like it's not like a flat look.
And actually,
Summery.
the only thing we've actually set is the under eye area, which we've really pressed the powder in order to make sure that that doesn't crease throughout the day, because that's a really important part of the face. And then I dusted the powder around the nose area and chin and forehead. But generally, this whole area was left bare so that you can add your highlighter and it still looks very kind of natural. The Moisture Surge we both used.
It's a
and
cult
that's
favorite. I love that one.
amazing.
So good.
So good. And the Marc Jacobs setting powder, I love that anyway. But what did you think of the concealer and the foundations?
I'm in love with these foundations. The new Dior foundations are really, really good.
I'm actually really surprised that we've got such good coverage with it. And it still looks
It gives a good skin like coverage, but it's also dry skin friendly, you guys. So if you have dry skin and you kind of want that natural skin like finish, it's a really good product to go for.
Now you just need to do your, have you done enough of your moving shots?
I don't know. I don't know how to do the moving shots like
I
how
would-
do you do that?
Get a little bit closer. Not so close like that. This is me just basically putting her in position.
Okay.
My face is too big for this shot.
Can I just say I hate the word moist?
Oh really? Do you?
I just feel like it's like
It's... This is the shit we can't have on the video.
this is the shit that we're definitely cutting out.